Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use and set up the advanced currency meter indicator for MT4. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is to go to the description of this video and you're going to find the link to this web page. Alright, so once you get here, just click on this and you download the file that contains the indicators file. All right, the folder that contains the indicators file. After that, you just add it to your indicators folder for MT4 and you refresh your navigator. Okay, after refreshing your navigator, you just drag and drop the advanced currency strength indicator and ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then you can see that the inputs, the customizable inputs contains, the normalized length and the loop limit. So you can modify these values depending on how you want the indicator to react. All right, depending on the way you want the indicator to perform, you just modify this value according to your taste. But if you don't have a special settings, you can just work with the default settings. All right, so here we go. Basically, this indicator, as the name implies, it is a currency meter. Okay, the indicator is designed to reveal the strongest and weakest currencies in real time. You can see that in this indicator window, it is written currency indices. Okay, currency indices. So it helps traders to measure the relative strength and weakness of different currencies in real time. If you are a kind of trader that likes to compare the strength of currencies in order to determine whether your bias should be bullish or bearish, then this indicator might be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. All right, for example, if you have a stronger dollar and a weaker euro, you will be looking at a bearish move on a pair like Euro USD, right? So you can see that this red line is for the euro. You can see EURX. Then the blue line is for GBP. You can see there GBPX. Here you can see this is for JPYX. You can see this is for USDX, right? So currently, from what we can see, the USD is currently, at the weaker level, and we can see that JPY is currently at a stronger level, right? And then you can see Euro is quite strong compared to USD. And going to a higher time frame, we can see that generally the bias is currently bullish, or rather the trend. You can see over time the trend has been bullish. USD has been weak for a while, right? And now even on this 4-hour time frame, you can see, let me just zoom out a bit. Can you see that the overall trend is kind of bullish on Euro USD because we have a stronger euro? Okay, so this is just like a brief overview. For more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss more videos like this. Cheers and see you in the next one.